Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to all my beans lovers gather here, today we are making this delicious beans porridge. So if you suffer from bloating or heartburn after eating beans, guys, I got you covered. This is the best and the easiest way to make and enjoy your beans, okay? So for this recipe we're using black eye beans, and I already picked and cleaned my beans, and I poured in hot water to parboil for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'll be straining out the water, then pour in my cold water to cook for 1 hour. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, subscription is totally free. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, comment, like, and share. Thank you. So guys, onions is one secret to get your beans cooked faster and to get that even cooked beans, trust me. 1 hour later, let's check if our beans is ready. And guys, can you see that our beans is well cooked? This is how I love my beans, very soft, very mushy. So I'll just strain and set aside to make my bean stew. So I poured in my palm oil. We're using palm oil for this, and we're not heating, we're not bleaching. So I went ahead to add my onion. Next, I added my tatashe, shombo, atarodo, and crayfish. I blended everything together. Now our bean stew is well fried, so I'm adding my salt and seasoning powder. Then stir, and after stirring, I poured it in my well cooked beans. So this is the best way to make and enjoy your beans without bloating or heartburns. Just say bye to heartburn and bloating. And finally guys, our beans porridge or bean stew is ready. Guys, guess what? You can enjoy this with anything. I enjoyed mine with gari. You can enjoy yours with pap, custard, plantain, fish, just anything at all. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.